All right, this is Chapter 1, Section 8. We're going to work on equations and substituting numbers in for variables or letters in equations. What we're going to start off with is an equation. We're going to start off an equation like this. 20 equals 2x plus 10. And we're going to substitute in for x, we're going to put in 5. Now, what we need to do is we need to first see, is 5 the right variable or the right number to put in for x? To figure that out, we need to do what's called substitute. Substitute. And we're going to substitute in 5 wherever the x is at, because my x equals 5. So at this point, I'll rewrite the equation. 20 equals 2. Now we're going to put in 5 for the x plus 10. And this is, as we knew through distribution, 2 times 5. So we can rewrite this 20 equals 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 10. And then we can say 20 equals 10 plus 10, which is 20. This is what we call simplify. We simplify down, once we've substituted in the number, we simplify it down to find out, is it correct or not? This is what this chapter is going to be about. We're going to take a number, or I should say we're going to take an equation. We're going to substitute in the variable x for whatever we say that number is, and we're going to simplify this down to find out if this is true, if 20 equals 20, or if the numbers equal each other, then we know that the variable we put in is the correct variable. If these two are not equal to each other, then we know that this variable up here is not the correct variable. Next, we're going to draw a table. And we're going to fill in each of these cells of the table. I'm going to show you how to do this. This will be part of your assignment. First, we're going to explain what we're going to do. So I'm going to say first here, write equation. I'm going to abbreviate it just with EQ. And we're going to write the equation in. 16 equals 3n plus 4. Next, we're going to justify what we've written, and we're going to just call this original. I'm going to call it orig equation. It's the original equation. Next, we're going to substitute something in. So I'm going to write this down here. Substitute in for n. Substitute in 4 for n. When I substitute in 4 for n, I'm going to have it as 16. This is my work. 16 equals 3 times 4 plus 4. This is the substitution. Running out of space. Substitution. If you want to write it as just subs, that's fine. Next, we're going to simplify. We're going to simplify. And to simplify, we basically take this equation and we simplify it down. So we take 16 equals 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4. 16 equals 12 plus 4 is 16. We have simplified. All right, seems pretty basic so far. Last is answer the question asked. Answer. I'm spelling it wrong. Let's erase that. Answer. And I'm going to just have question. Okay? Answer question. In this case, we're going to say yes, 4 is a solution. I'll just write SOL of the equation. I'm going to say of equation 16 equals 3n plus 4. And we can say that this is a correct answer. We've now filled out the table. If you notice, we've explained our work, what we're doing. We've done the work, and then we justified our work as we went down.